Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I show you how to become a Foodpanda rider. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end so you don't miss out on important information and to not make any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, on your PC or laptop or your mobile device, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and then once inside Google, type in Foodpanda Rider Apply, and then click on Foodpanda. Rider.foodpanda.ph, that's the official website to become a Foodpanda rider. Then you'll be brought to the main page here. If you want to translate this page, right click the page, click on translate to English, click on English, and as you can see, it's been translated. So the first thing you need to know is you need a professional driver's license, an MBI clearance and TIN number to apply. And then once you've got all that, you can create your profile. So select your city and then select your vehicle and then click on submit, and then scroll down this page a little bit. So easy steps to become a Foodpanda. Complete your registration and be sure to upload the requirements. You can watch a bit of a video here, a bit more about the company. Scroll down, hold your time, deliver and earn with own time. You got bonuses and benefits here. Once you've made the application to become a Foodpanda journey, give it a few days or even a week, and they'll get back to you and tell you if you were successful or not in joining being a Foodpanda rider. Also, another thing to note, more requirements as well, is that you need bikes or motorcycles or e-scooters, and you need to be at least 18 years of age or above and have iOS 11.2 above or Android 5 and above phone users. Yeah, so quick summary, create your profile, click on submit, and then wait for Foodpanda to get back to you, and then follow what they say and their prompts. So yeah, that's it for this video guys, how to become a Foodpanda rider. Thanks for watching to the very end of this tutorial. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found it was helpful.